In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder. Knowing how to link these tools can significantly enhance your understanding of website performance, giving you the insights you need to optimize your site effectively. Let's begin first by accessing your Hostinger account. Start by navigating to the Hostinger homepage. If you're not signed in yet, do so with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard filled with a variety of options and tools to manage your hosting services. The next step is to head over to your website's management panel by clicking on the Edit Website button. You'll find it right next to the website you want to connect with Google Analytics. Navigating here allows you to make changes, view updates, and, most importantly, access the settings needed for our task today. From the website editing interface, you're going to want to locate a menu icon that appears as More Horizon. This is often represented with 3 horizontal dots, signifying a drop-down or additional options menu. Selecting this will provide you with a new set of tools and options specific to the website builder at Hostinger. Following this, the next integral step involves finding the Apps section. Once you click on the More option, look for the Apps tab. This area is pivotal because it serves as the gateway to integrating various third-party applications and tools into your website. It's a feature-rich section designed to help you incorporate the best features and services from around the web into your site with ease. Once you're within the Apps menu, you should be able to see the Google Analytics app quite prominently. Click on this selection to kickstart the integration process. Connecting Google Analytics involves confirming that you want to add this feature. Google Analytics helps track and report website traffic, giving you critical data on your site's performance, visitor behaviors, and much more. To fully configure this integration, you might be prompted to sign into your Google account associated with your Google Analytics. Once you log in, follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the connection. It's that simple. You've successfully set up Google Analytics on your Hostinger-built website. With this done, you can now begin to gather insightful analytics on user behavior, traffic sources, and interactions on your site. Remember, understanding your audience and adapting to their needs is essential for sustained online growth and success. By connecting Google Analytics, you're on the path to making data-driven decisions to enhance your user's experience and your website's functionality. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.